Hi class, my name is Rashid Roshan. Um, I am recording this video from Los Angeles, California, where I live and where I work. I am at an inpatient drug and alcohol rehab center. I've been there for a little over 3 years at this point. I really enjoy my job, even on the tough days too, and I'm loving a lot of the learning I get to do on the go as regards to what I'm learning in the program and how I can apply it directly on the job. So that's definitely been a big blessing for me in the workplace. Um, my experience with working with families is I actually run a family group at the rehab that I work at. Um, it's a family systems theory group, and I don't work directly with the families of our clients, but I do provide just a constructive view on how they can have a better look at the foundations of their family and just a better just idea of how the systems of their families work. um, and while that's been a big challenge, I've been learning so much, and I really do like the challenge of running groups, and I hope I just continue to improve over the years. um, my family, I'm the youngest of three kids. I came from a pretty stable two-parent household, and I would say oftentimes in family conflicts, I'm probably seen as the peacemaker in a way, kind of like a diplomat when it comes to trying to reach common ground with people. I think I've always been that way to an extent, but more so as I got older. I'm happy to say there's not too much conflict in my family that really requires me to constantly play this role. Um, through the years, and as I progress in the mental health field, I think I've learned to set better boundaries as well. Um, I think in a way it does impact my work, being that I am a peacemaker in my family, uh, because I can really bring that skill set and utilize those tools when necessary, um, and of course use them to you know, with the client's best interest in mind. So I'm definitely hoping to continue to expand on what I know about families thus far, and I look forward to working with some of you guys. Look forward to working with everybody this semester. Thank you.